There you go again, cutting out and leaving me behind.
Yeah, that would be time here.
I thought John spoke to you about that, about your ignorance. Well, where will we head today, Alec? St Marys.
I think number one we'll head to Forth, and then ultimately head down to St Marys Loch to have some lunch.
Sounds like a plan. And just like that, we're in Forth.
Didn't take long, eh?
And I'm in fourth gear as well now, eh? Nah, it doesn't take long to get up here. You big in. Yeah, there's nothing in these wee towns, eh?
No, that's...
Bet they...
That'd be nice. It'd be nice and quiet in the night and stuff, eh?
Oh, definitely. And I bet there's no crime or anything.
Oh.
Because you'll not have your scum staying up here.
The scum come out here and cross the harbour, didn't it?
Aye. Aye, and steel.
That chingy thing that's out, right? You can put your camera at the front of your bike and camera at the back. You can actually look at your screen and see what's behind you.
Yeah, I've seen them. You can get them for about under 100 quid as well on AliExpress, eh? They've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Waze and all that on it, eh? I might actually get one, eh? See what it's like.
Listen, I don't need you to tell me when it will take.
No, eh? No bends. Now, it's safe now. I'm a car driver. I'm better than you. Are you?
Go on left.
Left, aye.
Hold on, should we not be going to Moffat?
No, left all day.
Eh?
You can go to Moffat if you want.
It's all the back roads in, isn't it?
Aye. We'll go Moffat. That'll take us the back way.
It's down that windy road in Moffat, won't it?
Aye. This 20-mile-an-hour rubbish as well, that needs to come to a head. I totally get it. This 20-mile-an-hour rubbish needs to come to a head. I totally understand round schools and all that.
Right. See, if you go to Morrison's, look at the sign as you drive in.
What is it?
Yeah.
Have they got 20 like?
5.
Oh, 5?
5 mile an hour.
But you do know why they're reducing all the speeds in the cities down to 20. It's to make driving less enjoyable. And people in the cars, the arseholes that stick religiously to this 20, get overtaken by cyclists. What's going to happen? They're going to say, oh, I'm just going to get a push bike. And that's exactly what the governments are wanting you to do. And they don't realise this. All these folk that are do-gooders that are promoting it, saying, oh, cycling's really good and all that, healthy for you, it's better than driving. Aye, it is. But what's going to happen? What's going to happen when everybody ditches the car and goes onto the cycle? You're going to get absolutely leathered in taxis because the motorist is a cash cow.
Right.
And if there's no motorists parking their cars, buying fuel, buying cars, paying the VAT on the cars, the road tax, the VAT on the insurance, all this shite, there's only one thing there's only one way they're going to have to get money, is to raise everybody's taxes. So you're going to get taxed to the absolute hilt, and these absolute fannies can't see it. They cannot see it. This has turned out a right rant, hasn't it? A ranty-poos. I hate the establishment, Alec. I really do. Mind we went down that road?
Aye. Well, it's roasting, isn't it?
That's warm, like.
What is the temperature?
19 according to the bike.
For MPG?
67.8.
62. Look at that, imagine living in it.
Lovely, eh? Look at the view you would have.
Stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Yep. That's my bike done 2,222 miles. All the twos.
All the twos.
Nice wee house up there.
But the thing about living down here, you never really get to severe winters now.
No. Maybe every so often you'll get a bad winter, eh? But we get that anyway. That's why we get every so often we get hot summers. It all depends on how the sun's behaving. The sun works on an 11-year cycle, eh?
Can you remember summer's been warmer in the 60s?
I can remember summer's been warmer than this as well. And I can also remember when I was a kid, some of the summers were absolutely diabolical.
Aye. I can remember, aye, we had snow in June.
Aye, same here.
Because the warmest summers we had after that. It's a good year, what's it?
Aye.
Not sure they can't chat pigeon there.
Aye.
It's crossing.
The what?
There's a sign pedestrians crossing.
Bullshit.
Nice wee catty there. Welcome to Tweedsmuir.
Tweedsmuir. Yeah, it's good to take a different road for a change, eh? What a cracking view, eh?
Ah, beautiful.
I think there's a lay-by up here. If you want to stop and maybe get a couple of pictures.
As long as no gravel.
Aye, as long as it's no gravel, aye. Alright, stop here.
Up here, yeah. Aye. There's a bit of gravel, yeah.
I'm on my way back here. I'll wait for you to stop. Ah, nice wee pit stop.
What was it? You know what I forgot to get at Sports Bike Shop? Fucking earplugs.
Oh aye, aye. I need to get a new set as well.
No, you just lost them, didn't I? Dickhead.
Oh, that's what happens when you leave them on your tank, eh? Dozy bugger. Aye, the Strom's looking good.
Right.
Right, let's go. Clear. Another one who likes to brake on every bend.
Mental, innit?
Just take your foot off the gas.
He's got 4 wheels.
I know.
I'm three-wheeling behind them.
I'm two-wheeling. Welcome to Moffat. Must be a car show on. Got a lot of old cars about.
Tell you what, the temperature just rose 1.5 degrees.
Yeah. No, Bluebird. When was the last time you seen a Nissan Bluebird? No, there's a car show on in there. I used to go to the car shows every week.
Did you?
Years and years ago. That was when I used to exhibit my Austin Cambridge, yeah.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Got bored of it after a few years. Same stuff every year, eh? Same cars turning up at car shows on the back of trailers and winning prizes, eh?
So, we helping them. Exciting.
Couple of nice Mercs as well. There's an old Jag.
Moffat classic car show.
Aye.
Yeah.
MGs. Stag.
They were forever breaking from getting them, weren't they?
Aye, they used to overheat. Blow their heads. No feet down. It's all about the planning. This guy's on a go slow, eh? They knew we were coming, they put out the bunting. There you are, car going to the show in a trailer.
That's it. Thank you.
Mini as well. Singer
Morris.
Morris Minor there, split screen job, Rover. Not bad.
Some cat.
Hopman. Mini.
It'll be Mini.
Great seeing these old cars, eh?
Aye. It'll be full disco there, eh?
Aye. Camper. Escort Mark 1.
That road we just kept down, we've actually been up that
Yes.
fucking a couple of times.
Aye.
But just like totally different, eh?
Aye. New Traveller.
Look at that.
MGB GT.
See, oh man, twisting the wood in that then.
Aye. Aye, the ash frames.
Yep.
You can buy kits for them now, eh? Ah, great wee road this, eh?
I can.
Much better than the motorway. Get that view to your right, Alec. Valley.
Oh, it's nice, eh? Sun's out, it's mellow.
Yep. Cortina.
Cortina.
Saab. Mini.
Mini.
Rover.
Bentley.
Oh, Bentley, aye.
Escort.
Mark 1 Escort.
Escort.
Smell that petrol.
That's been a cracking run so far, eh?
Good. It's been good.
We thought that road would take us to the cafe, didn't we?
Uh-huh.
That's nice, eh? It's tiny.
Sounded nice as well.
And that can't probably size that Corsa.
Aye, cars are just too big nowadays.
This is lovely, eh?
Braking for a gain, Christ almighty.
No. It's like you brake till it was past and they were fucking past about what speed you were doing.
Doesn't need to brake.
Oh no, look at this. We wanted to hang on.
Aye. Jag.
That's a beat.
Jag, I think it was.
Was it?
I think so.
That'll get up here. Oh, we've been on some good windy roads today, haven't we? This is a bit bumpy.
Oh, some cracking roads there.
Oh yeah.
Apart from the potholes and the patches.
Sheep shot.
Showing the sheep.
Shot the sheep. Watch out for shot the sheep.
Hello, sheep.
Sheep. Sean the sheep.
Sean the sheep.
I'm with his sister.
That's just a wee baby one. Wee lamb. There's the ones there just chilling.
Sit beside these people.
Great, eh? Hiya. There's more sheep.
good sign.
Hillman Avenger, Tiger.
Stop doing up each other, eh?
Hey, look, they're as cool as hell, just sitting chilling.
Look at these idiots, they're pit bikes. Can love it here, eh?
Nice,
Aye.
Now, when we turn this corner, that's St Marys Loch. Right, you've got a biker behind you, mind.
That's up to me, watch who's going to me. That'll be seriously uncomfortable to ride, eh?
Right, but mind, we're getting older, Alec. We can't be bent over for too long. We'll never get back, straightened back up again.
Yeah, but the thing is, we can go out and do 200 mile a day, we'll get one.
Yeah. Well, the loch's looking good today.
Like 2 seconds to the cafe, since you're 2.5 mile.
There's a cafe there. The Glen Cafe.
You helping it?
Right.
No, the cylinder heads went at it.
The Roots Group.
Right, where are we going to park? Where are we going to park?